All right, let's get started.
I'm actually about to buy something that I've never bought before. Well, this kind of thing I've never purchased before. I actually don't buy what I'm about to buy ever. So this is a big deal for me. This is not a new discovery. Once you guys see what it is that I purchased, you'll be like, oh, yeah, I've seen that around. I will talk more about it later on. However, I am excited. So, check out what I'm about to buy. Alright, so check it. This is what we are about to do. So, here's what I mean by we. I'm going to read the book, and I am actually going to try to make several videos about this book. My intention is not to review the book as a whole, at least not up front. My intention is to, as I read the book, maybe a chapter here, a chapter there, I will talk about what I find interesting, what I liked, what I didn't like, and bring you guys that. The reason for me buying this book is because I actually love Gary Vaynerchuk. I find him extremely motivating, extremely captivating, a great speaker who's passionate. I like to consider myself a passionate person. However, we all have our struggles, and we all have things that keep us from possibly reaching our potential, from possibly striving for more, from doing more. And it's easier said than done. You know, I know that by just buying a book and reading a book, it doesn't mean I'm going to produce more videos or do better in life in general. But what I do plan on doing is utilizing this book to inspire me, to remind me, and to motivate me for those moments and those times that I don't want to do more. I don't want to push for that extra step. And hopefully, reading this book is going to allow me to do that. And I feel like if I'm able to just improve 50% of the time, 50% of the times that I don't want to make a video for you guys, 50% of the times that I am just feeling like crap, that I'm just so tired, but I can use that little bit of inspiration that someone else has been able to overcome that other people's stories in which they have been able to overcome it, then hopefully that too allows me to overcome and do more and do better. So that's my goal with this book. I'm super excited. Let me know in the comment section below if you've read it, if you follow him, if you watch his videos. I'll also link him in the description so that you guys who haven't heard of him can check him out. So, it's Nando. Different kind of video today. Hopefully you guys liked it. Thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you've loved it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Like always, it's important to stay geeky. Peace, salute, and adios.